Ekta Hinduja, and a big warm welcome to all the parents, all the guardians and all the caretakers of the little one. You are doing a fantastic job by giving the best to your little ones, and I'm very happy when parents come and ask me queries about the same. I feel very humbled that I am in a position to give you as much information you need in choosing the right box for your child. So today's video is about the differences between Flinto class and Get class monitor. I have covered as much as I could in the video, and I'm just here to tell you how they are different from each other, and it's going to guide you to choose the best one for your little one. And if you still have a doubt or a query, and if you're still in that position that you're not able to decide for your little one, drop a comment below, and I'm always easily messaging you guys and letting you know. I have parents wherein I couldn't resolve, they weren't getting the query solved in the comment section, so I have told them to DM me on my Instagram handle, which is Hinduja Ekta, or come and drop and say a hi, follow there. I post a lot of content out there as well. So here's starting. So as I start my video, every difference is going to be first of a Get class monitor, and the next one is going to be of the Flinto class. Not to worry, because at the end of the video I am going to be putting out a small chart kind of a thing where it's easy for you to see it visually, and you can gauge the difference between the two of them. So as I talk about Get class monitor, I'm going to talk about the subscription first. Now in the Get class monitor, it's a 1-year subscription box wherein you will pay at once, and the box is going to come to your doorstep, and this entire box is going to be used for 1 whole year. So there are no different boxes coming to your house. You're going to get only one box for the entire year. So that is taken care of Get class monitor. On the other hand, when you talk about Flinto class, the Flinto class is about 9 months subscription. Now the difference is here is that you get 3 different boxes for 9 months. As in, for the first for every 3 months you will be getting one box which you will be using for those 3 months. And for example, if you are a kind of a person, say you have not enjoyed the Flinto class box, what you can do is you can stop the the box coming to your doorstep, and you can inform the company. So that's here, on the Flinto class set you have 3 boxes coming for 9 months. Next is about the classes. In the Get class monitor, there is no online class happening, or there is no live session happening. They just give you the box to you, and they tell you, okay, this is the box, this is the content of the box, and you have to make a routine with your child, and you have to do it with them, which is a good thing in a way, because a lot of parents who don't find time through the week can sit with the little ones on a Saturday or a Sunday, or say in the evening they can find time and they can sit with them. So that is about the Get class monitor. But on the Flinto class, if you are a parent who can dedicate that 1 hour with your child, alternate days, then I think it's a great option. In Flinto class, they have live classes which is thrice a week. They come online, and the child has to sit down, and the child can do watching the whole video. Now the good part here is that they don't have one-to-one session. It's just a live session, and if you have a query, if you have a doubt, you can just type it in the live session message, and they resolve your query, which I think is also good, because sometimes there are children who don't like to sit down, who are not very keen on sitting and doing the activity box, but they are more interested in learning after they look at the visual thing. So Flinto class is one of that kind. Then on the Get class monitor side, how do you perform the activity? An app has been given to you which you have to download either from App Store or from Google Store, from Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you have to put in all the details, and it's going to guide you as to which box you have bought. So once you put in all the details that the app has asked you to do so, you will be given a small section wherein there are options which gives you shuffle the plan. So looking at the app itself, you can do the activity with your child. If there's a doubt in a particular activity, then you just have to scan the paper of it, and then you can do the activity with your child. Now to resolve this query of yours as to how to scan, how to see the shuffle day plan, I have made a video on that as well. I suggest you go look at that video to get a more clear picture of the entire app idea. Now, because the app has been given to you, so you have to plan a day prior with your child as to what you're going to do next. So there is planning involved in this, which is sometimes little time consuming. Sometimes you don't wish to do, sometimes your child is not interested in doing, so on and so forth, but various reasons. So this is that with Get Class Monitor. But on the other hand, which is a Flinto class, what happens in that is, because you're doing live sessions, they give you say around 4 to 5 minutes to tell you what to keep ready for the activity. Say for example, if there's a toddler and they are teaching about a lion, they are going to teach them the sound, how to draw the picture, how to make the activity. Everything is inside the box. You don't have to do anything about it. Everything is inside your box. You just have to remove that the small packet, and you have to sit with your child and you have to do the activity. So that is again a plus point in Flinto class. Next is when you come to Get Class Monitor, I'm talking of payment. Now what is the major difference between the two is the payment. The Get Class Monitor is priced around 3,000 plus. I think it's around 3,400 or 500. I'm not sure about the current amount, but that's roughly the same amount. So in Get Class Monitor, you are doing it for 1 full year and you're paying that much amount. That is like 3,000 rupees, which is very reasonable. I don't find it very expensive. And the app has also been given to you, so you can shuffle the activity with your child. On the other hand, which is Flinto class, what I feel is they are a little steep and the prices are very different. But the good option that here they have given you is an EMI option, which you can pay. But say for example, you have not liked the box or your child is not really enjoying it, you can cancel it anytime and you will not be charged for the next coming box. But this EMI option is only available for people who have subscribed for 9 months. I have made an entire video on Flinto class as well. These are just the differences that I'm giving you. But I suggest that you go and see the entire video of both of them, that is the Get Class Monitor and Flinto class. So you get more detailed information about both of them. Get Class Monitor, about the certification, you will not receive any certificate as to your child has completed the Get Class Monitor course. But on the other hand, which is a Flinto class, they do give you a certification of completion of the course, that is the 9-month course, and you will receive a certificate. So that's about it. Also, now the main difference what I wanted to share is, in Get Class Monitor, which is just a box that comes to your doorstep for a year, you get an entire box and you have to sit with your child and do the activity. Now what I feel is, this box is good for those parents who are able to sit with the child and do the activities. I'm not saying working people are not able to do so. They are, and I'm really proud of them and a big kudos to them. So that's that. But you have to make sure you set a routine with your child. You have to sit with your child and you have to do it. And I feel kids who have never been to a school, who have never been a part of the school, most of the kids which are, so I think Get Class Monitor is not really for them, because they don't get the entire school experience when they see someone else doing the activity for them. Because we as parents are so much with them, when you do it with them, they are like either not interested or they just walk away. But if there is someone else which they have never seen, like a teacher or something, they would have done it, which Get Class Monitor does not give you. It's the activity box where you have to do it. So this activity, Get Class Monitor activity box, is good for those kids who are already a part of school, have been to the school, or those are kids who are not interested sitting in a class, or for parents who can give that dedicated time to them, is for them in my point of opinion. So don't just randomly say a comment, no, we are able to do it. It's just my point of view, where I feel Get Class Monitor, you will not be able to do so much with them as a parent. But now when you come to Flinto class, what I feel, because it's a live class, you have all the activities. There are 3 boxes coming for 9 months. I feel this is a good advantage for kids who have never attended school, wherein there is someone talking to you, there's someone teaching you, there's someone speaking to you, there's someone telling you, hi, I'm so and so, today is Saturday, it's a rainy day, it's a sunny day. So this Flinto class is good for those kids who have never attended school, are very keen on learning, And for a parent who want to create a routine for your child, wherein the time is already set, it's thrice a week for 1 hour, and they get a feel factor of a school, so that is the plus point on the Flinto class. So guys, these are the differences what I wanted to share it with you all. Both are good in their own ways, Get Class Monitor and Flinto class. So you have to choose which one is the right one for your child. So there are these 3-4 questions which I had, the parents had asked me, so I'm here sharing with you. So the first question our parent had asked, that the child knows everything, there is he or she knows how to read, write, learn alphabets. So for them, if you know the child is already aware of it, then you can buy them a box which can enhance more of the skill. Now the child can learn how to read, how to write, so I think that's a good thing. Next question was, a lot of parents have asked me is, can you get us a discount on a Get Class Monitor box? And the answer is no. I'm not in a position to get you a discount. They always keep coming up with sales, so you have to make sure that you are watching their website. And one more parent had asked if Flinto class is it's very expensive, should I go for it, should I not go for it? So in my opinion, Flinto class, if you can buy for them, if you are a parent who wishes to buy for them and you think the child will enjoy, so the benefit out here in Flinto class is, it's an EMI option. For the first 3 months you see, my child is not enjoying, mera beti ko maza bilkul bhi nahi aa raha hai, then you can cancel it anytime. So that's a plus point in Flinto class. And you get 3 boxes, which I find it very interesting. I'm sure they have planned and curated it really well. So Get Class Monitor and Flinto class, none of them have been sponsored. These are all my personal views because I have used so whatever videos that I make for you guys, I have personally used it for my boy, and I see what he likes, what he does not like, and on basis of that I give you the information. He has quite a lot of friends in our society wherein I do sometimes sit with them, I do the activities with them, and I know what they are actually enjoying it. So that's that. And guys, I have one more exciting news for you before I end the video. I have collaborated this very new brand, and I am going to be soon showing you what that activity box is. So stay tuned for that because it's way too exciting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care, stay safe. Always comment on the video as to what more query you have, and I'm happy to make a video on that, happy to resolve your query. If I'm not able to solve your query on the YouTube comment section, you can always head on my Instagram page, DM me there, and I'm very quick with responses. So thank you so much for watching, and take care, stay safe. Bye bye.